YouTube. If you've been watching our channel, you might have noticed that we've got quite a few videos of different types from the Server of Joy. I'm Tim. I'm doing most of the code and programming and the making of the Bukkit server. That might change later on to do different stuff, but at the moment that's what I'm doing. We've got Tom. He's doing the redstone and tutorials and stuff like that. That might develop, that might change at the moment. And we've got Knowles, who's doing how to do texture packs and how to change the world saves of your Minecraft. So if you're here today, you're probably wondering how to do WorldGuard and WorldEdit. These are another two plugins I'm going to show you how to do today. So you want to first go to your internet, and hopefully that loads up on the right screen that you have open. And you want to go to Bukkit. Right, WorldGuard depends on WorldEdit to work because it's editing the chunks in the world. So you'll need to download both of them, and I will hopefully go through the config of both of them, and if you spell WorldGuard right, sorry, and the in-game commands that both of them possess. So there'll be a link in the description to the WorldGuard page. So you just want to hit that and then download. Oh, they've got a dev Bukkit page. Sorry, there'll be a link here in the dev bukkit.org page, and you want to download and download again. Download the latest one, and you can see it's now downloading. So whilst that's downloading, you want to go into your Bukkit again and search for WorldEdit. And WorldEdit, here it is. And here you want to find the dev Bukkit page. There'll also be a link in the description to this. You want to hit the download and download again, and then you wait for it to download, just so it's a bit quicker. I'm going to close all of this. Right, then you want to open your Bukkit folder, and as many times before, I've been quite a bit of an idiot. You want to leave your internet open so it downloads them, but find out where you downloaded it to. Mine goes to my downloads, but it comes up in my internet download history, and you want to find the world jar and copy that into your plugins directory. It's for WorldEdit, and then you want to go into your WorldGuard zip and find the WorldGuard jar, and also the region storage. I'm not sure what that last one stands, and blacklist table. Copy that into it. Those are the storage facilities that happens to automatically be set up with WorldGuard. That just is default. And WorldEdit, you also want to copy in the craft scripts into your plugins directory as well. And then hopefully when you start, it all runs fine. So it's a loading WorldEdit and WorldGuard. Let's just test. We type plugins. And at the moment we've got 9, but that's because I'm doing this in a series, so we've been building up, and here we have WorldEdit and WorldGuard setting up. So just going to close that, and then close that. So we're just going to stop, as it will have executed the jar folders and hopefully given us some folders to work with. You know, WorldGuard and WorldEdit. WorldEdit, the config is pretty simple, as most of it is in-game. So none of this really needs to be changed. It all works perfectly. This is just if basically this allows you to change the blocks which you cannot change, the maximum amount of blocks you can change, the minimum amount of blocks you can change. So you can change it so different classes have a different amount of blocks that they can change. and the other main thing is the wand tool, and default that's set to a wooden axe, I think. And I'd leave it as that, because when you if you change that, it can get confusing, but if you just leave it at that, it all works perfectly. With the World Guard config, you have the main config. This is how it's stored, so you don't have to worry about this. And this is some of the default things that when you set up a region to World Guard that it comes up with. So you've got some of the physics, and here, let's say if all of the ones that I create, I want to block TNT in that area. This is all personal preference and all pretty simple, so I'm not really sure I need to go through this, but it's just literally so if the next time you set up a World Guard, all of this is default. So change that as you wish. If not, you can add flags that I'll go into later. You've got your World Guard worlds. World Guard worlds, and then the different worlds within your Minecraft. That's just because going to world. Regions should be empty because we haven't created anything yet. And the config in here is also empty because this sets up when you start doing regions. So it's all set up, hopefully. Now it should just start with no errors. Just wait for that. Okay. And I am now going to show you the in-game commands. Whilst this is loading, I'll talk to you about with World Edit and World Guard, the same as all other ones. You can use permissions to allow certain members of your Minecraft to access certain parts of World Guard and World Edit.